Every day we are faced with a world that puts boundaries around our ideas, our beliefs, and our ambitions. We're constantly told what we can or can't do, where we can or can't go, what is or isn't possible. We're here to celebrate the people who never see those boundaries, the people who only see false barriers that need to be broken. These are the boundary breakers. They never let anyone or anything define who they are. When they get knocked down, they get back up over and over again. They're blowing up stereotypes. They're embracing our differences. They're owning action. They're staring down doubt and saying, "Bring it on." We're proud to be a small part of their journey. Are you ready to join them? Good. Let's go break some boundaries.